Recently, Subaru announced the 2023 Ascent 3-row family SUV with updated styling as well as new safety and in-vehicle technologies. Also new for 2023, the Onyx Edition trim level receives new exterior and interior accents and a comprehensive option package. The 2023 Ascent is available in base, premium, Onyx Edition, Limited, and Touring trim levels and arrives in Subaru retailers this fall. For 2023 model year, Ascent receives a bolder look thanks to a new front fascia incorporating a more prominent grille, redesigned LED headlights, and a more aggressive front bumper cover. The new front bumper cover features new lower edge air ducts to improve aerodynamic flow under the vehicle. At the back of the vehicle, updated Kanoji taillights further exemplify the SUV's fresh new look for 2023. The Ascent Onyx Edition is equipped with exclusive black finish exterior elements, badging, and 20-inch black finish aluminum alloy wheels. Every Ascent also features steering responsive LED headlights with high beam assist for improved nighttime visibility. On all 2023 Ascent models, a newly standard tablet-style 11.6-inch Full HD center information display offers direct touch controls for multimedia, climate control, X mode, and vehicle configuration settings. Wireless Apple CarPlay and wireless Android Auto are standard. The Onyx Edition seats are wrapped in Subaru StarTex water-repellent material with new contrasting green stitching. The 2023 Ascent comes standard with the latest version of EyeSight driver assist technology. Also standard across the model line is a wide-angle mono camera that works together with the dual-camera EyeSight system. The additional camera further expands the field of view to recognize pedestrians and bicycles sooner when the vehicle enters an intersection at low speed. On models equipped with blind spot detection with lane change assist and rear cross traffic alert, EyeSight includes automatic emergency steering. The new feature works in conjunction with the pre-collision braking system to help steer the vehicle to avoid a collision when traveling at speeds less than 50 miles per hour. All Ascent trim levels come standard with Subaru's legendary symmetrical all-wheel drive and X mode with hill descent control for exceptional all-weather and trail driving capability. Active torque vectoring is also standard on all trim levels. The 3-row SUV's 8.7 inches of ground clearance, which is greater than many SUVs, delivers capability while maintaining a comfortably low step-in height for passenger entry. Powered by a 260 horsepower 2.4-liter turbocharged Subaru Boxer engine, the Ascent comes standard with Subaru's high-torque Lineartronic continuously variable transmission, featuring an 8-speed manual mode function and steering wheel paddle shifters to give the driver added control. This powertrain allows up to 5,000-pound towing capacity with standard trailer stability assist. The top-of-the-line Ascent Touring is equipped with all the features of the lower trim levels and adds an exclusive high-gloss black grille, chrome door handles and satin chrome power folding exterior mirrors with integrated turn signals. The unique interior includes wood-grain pattern matte finish accent trim and either slate black or Java brown perforated leather trimmed upholstery. 3-mode ventilated driver and front passenger seats are also standard on Touring. The Touring comes standard with the Subaru Starlink 11.6-inch multimedia navigation system, Harman Kardon Quantum Logic surround sound system with new cabin connect, power moonroof, and rain sensing wipers. Standard surround view monitor system, smart rear view mirror, and 180-degree front view camera greatly enhance all-around visibility. The Ascent is built at Subaru of Indiana Automotive, a zero landfill facility in Lafayette, Indiana, along with the Impreza, Legacy, and Outback. Pricing will be announced closer to launch, but expect the model to cost slightly more than its predecessor, which began at $32,795.